put it.
Wait, what? Is that her tire?
So we just picked up the trailer, guys. We're gonna go back home, finish prepping Christine's car, and then we're gonna be set to go. Luckily this time we were able to get one. Last time they like canceled my reservation like at the very last minute. Like we woke up and they're like, your trailer is not available, but you can drive all the way to Oakland to go grab one. And we're like, we're not gonna go to Oakland to go grab a trailer. So and then we ran into other issues, so we just thought it wasn't meant to be to go drifting. So we're all set today. A lot of the prep is already done on Christine's car. We just have a few minor things to do, and then we should be loading up and getting ready to leave in the morning. So super excited. It's gonna be Christine's first time driving this car, doing the shakedown on it. We're gonna see how it's gonna go. I think it's gonna be good, honestly. I think it's gonna be good. The 1UZ is supposed to be a really strong engine, lasts 1,000,000 miles, and crossing our fingers, praying that nothing goes wrong. Bring a fire extinguisher just in case, because you guys know our luck with fires before. I hope that's going to be changing now. So let's go home, get the car ready to go drifting.
Right, yeah, start it up so we can fill up the airbags. So this is Christine's first time really rolling the car on its own power more than like 2 feet. So it's going. It's going. We did it.
Now that the car is out of the garage, it's easier to work on the rear. So I'm gonna try to put the airlift struts in and we'll see how much lift we get. I love this rear fitment so much. It has the perfect amount of tech. Now that all the suspension is good inside the car, we can start aligning it, and I think that's pretty much the last thing we have to do before we test drive it. A couple of months ago, Blaine ordered some toe plates. We haven't used them yet, so we're gonna test it out on the car and see how they work. So we just got the alignment plates set up. We're gonna go ahead and align the car. Yeah. The back is 75 and 340.
Okay, hit.
That's so cool. Can we try it?
Just throw it in the air. Yeah, just throw it in the air and then put your hand and it'll. Just throw it in the air. No. Go like this. Throw it up like this. So it goes up like that. Okay, wait. Okay, throw it up like that. Shut up. Oh!
Oh! Ah!
That's so weird. Are you sure? Can you push it to me, bro? I hope. Wait, I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Just push it to me. How? Oh yeah. Just push it to me.
Wow!
Go, Jamie. Jamie, go. Jamie, get it.
That's so cool.
Is it?
Oh, how do you do it?
Jamie, go. Just put your hand in there. Push it to daddy. Push it. Oh. The fire extinguisher is right here. It's behind your seat, okay? In case anything. Okay, you got it? Yeah, the hood is closed. Huh? Probably. Your headlights are not on. Yeah, okay.
Does it look okay? I don't know. Is it? I don't know if it's recording
now.
Yeah, like does the car look okay? It feels like everything is loose.
Well,
it feels super